I'm so sorry that it has been so long. Let me start by first apologizing about our holiday that we just took. And by holiday I mean not vlogging. But I just got home from work and my sweet husband has just cleaned up the whole house, mowed the lawn, mopped, took out the washing. But I wanted to show you guys quickly a gift that a special friend of mine gave to me. So she gave me S and V for SV Squad. And 2 candles, so 1, 2. And she also gave us a hamper. And Polynesian Aya tiara. So thank you so much. Shout out to my good friend Erin. I don't know, where does this look? Does this look good here? Wonderful.
Thank you, Erin, for the gift. Hope you have a good day. But thank you so much. We appreciate you with this gift you bring for us. Thank you so much.
Say, I'm going to Africa today. I'm going to Africa today. Huh? I'm going to Africa today. Auntie. You're going to see lion and elephant and hyena and hippopotamus. His face is so cute.
You have no idea what you're in for, buddy. You have to go on
Auntie. Bye, Evan. Kissy. Mwah. Say kissy camera. Mwah. Say bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. No, you can't go to Evan's holiday. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You can't go to big man's holiday. You have to stay with your mommy and your daddy. Mom, look, come on. Mom, stop crying. What is up, everyone?
Hello, everyone.
Okay, so we bought our Christmas tree tonight and it is getting so hot here in Canberra. Just setting it up. We're in the process of setting it up, but like the picture deceived us. We thought we were getting a decent sized Christmas tree and it was not looking like the picture. And I'm not sure if we should buy another one or just get that one.
No, we'll just get that one.
We'll just leave that one?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, guys. Now it's almost Christmas time, but we get ready for the baby to come down.
What baby?
Jesus.
Jesus is not a baby anymore, honey.
Yeah, but we celebrate. We celebrate every year.
Start singing carols.
The better it's up, the better it's right, the better it's good and very right. Santa Claus is coming to town. The better it's up, the better it's up, the better it's there and everyone. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Thank you.
Thank you, Santa Claus.
Big clap offering for Aussie. Seriously. Alright, guys, so this is our Christmas tree. For real. All jokes aside, we thought we were getting like a decent size. Anyways, doesn't matter. It's not about the Christmas tree, is it, honey? It's about the presents you're about to buy me.
This is a Santa Claus. If you need some present, come see a Santa Claus. Me. Ooh.
What are you gonna get them?
I'll get some lollies and chocolate and everything you want.
Okay.
Celebrate the birth of our king. 25th of December.
25th.
Oh yeah, 25th of December.
Huh?
25th of December.
Why do you sound like that?
I'm sound like 25th. Because I'm 25th.
Can you stop? Oh my gosh, you just made my happy. Oh. No. No. Ow. I just want to explain. Siaosi and I went to the mall today to get start buying Christmas gifts for each other. And so we split up. I was like, okay, you go your way and I'm gonna go my way so that we could buy each other Christmas presents. It was funny because then when we finally finished and he went to a different checkout, I went to a different one. I couldn't see what he bought, but I could see him. And then I was just thinking to myself, look at that big smirk on his face. You better not have gotten me something stupid. And then I was just thinking, next minute this guy gets me like Kmart makeup and like Kmart stuff. Look at the look on your face. You did get me Kmart makeup, eh? You did, eh?
When? That's different.
Oh my god. Honey, as soon as I said Kmart makeup, he was like, you got me Kmart makeup?
No. You suck a cute ass.
What did you say?
Suck a cute ass.
I sucked up.
You suck a cute ass.
Such a.
You such a cute ass girl.
Why?
Because.
Anyways, let me just remind myself, it's not about the presents. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday and we're getting ready to go and help my cousin with her birthday. And you guys would have seen, if you follow us on Snapchat, that we were there up until late at 2 p.m. and we are pretty tired, but I'm gonna go and buy Siaosi a shirt to wear, a dress shirt for the birthday. And I look really tired, don't I? And do some other things. We'll probably go back to the hall to see if they've finished setting up. Yeah, so we had a Secret Santa at my work, right? And I went through so much trouble trying to get my present for my Secret Santa. And this is what I got in return. This.
What's that?
A chocolate. That was from my, we had a... Oh, it's melted. Oh, you pressed it, honey.
No, it's all melted.
Why would you swallow it on the thing? Now we're gonna get ants there. Just put it back in the fridge. It's still good. Oh, I'm so annoyed about it. Well, I forgot. I won the certificate. We had an awards day yesterday, honey, and I got the Great Achiever Award. Are you proud of me? Are you proud of me? I got the Great Achiever Award. No, you're not. So guys, I'm on my way to go and do my hair.
As we squad. My name is Siaosi. What's up, SV Squad? Welcome another video.
I just finished doing my hair and I absolutely love it. I love that hairdresser so much. He is so awesome. see because it's like not focusing.
Yeah,
It is so nice. Do you love my hair, honey? Yeah, we're not sure how to turn the lychee, pineapple and lime on.
Oh, okay, so it might be empty. Yeah, that's empty. So I'll go grab another canister and it'll take me a couple of minutes to get it all set up.
Okay.
So you're welcome to carry on with your
Oh, that's alright, yeah. I want it. No, I want it. No. Guys, how cool is it? They have their own kombucha zest station here where you can come in, fill up one of these bottles and take it and pay for it. That is so awesome. So the flavors they have here is lychee, pineapple and lime. They've got raspberry and lemon, ginger and turmeric, passion fruit, ginger beer and mint and lime. That is amazing and I want this one, but Aussie doesn't want me to. So I just want to thank God for our car park. We were very fortunate to get a car park on this day because there is a lot of people here. Gosh, what the heck are they doing here?